In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print PayPal invoices. If you need a copy of an invoice for your records, for accounting, or to share with someone offline, PayPal gives you a couple of simple ways to do it. You can either print the invoice directly from your browser or download it as a PDF first and save it to your device. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can choose the option that works best for you. To get started, go to your Invoice section in PayPal. One easy way to reach it is by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of your account. This will open your settings area. From there, go to the Seller Tools tab and then select Invoices. This section is where you can view and manage the invoices connected to your account. Once you're in the Invoices area, look through the list and select the invoice you want to print. Make sure you open the correct one before moving on, especially if you have several invoices that look similar. Taking a second to confirm the invoice details now can save time later. After selecting the invoice, click More Actions. This menu gives you additional options for that invoice. Here you'll see two useful choices depending on how you want to handle the printout. If you want to print right away, select Print. This usually opens your browser's print window where you can choose your printer, adjust print settings like paper size or layout, and then send it to the printer immediately. This is the fastest option if you already have a printer connected and just need a physical copy. If you'd rather save the invoice first, click Download PDF. This downloads the invoice as a PDF file to your device. Once the file is downloaded, you can open it and print it whenever you want. This option is especially helpful if you want to keep a digital backup, email the file later, or print it from a different computer, and that's all there is to it. Just open the invoice through the Seller Tools and Invoices section, choose the invoice you need, click More Actions, and then either print it directly or download the PDF. Both methods are straightforward, and the best one depends on whether you want an instant print or a saved copy for later use. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you print your PayPal invoice quickly and easily.